President Rodrigo Duterte's soaring popularity cuts across all sectors and strata of society, especially in the grassroots level of governance and among show business celebrities. And both groups were in attendance and in full support in the president's second report to the nation, and this one filed by Trixie Jafar.
Various municipalities including Caloocan, Quezon City, Parañaque, Pasig, Las Piñas, Valenzuela, PDP Laban, and some showbiz personalities expressed their support for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte's leadership and his second State of the Nation address amid protest from militants. Included in the showbiz personalities who graced the said event were actress Katya Santos, Keanu Reeves, and PTV host and actress Diane Medina.
From his first State of the Nation address, nakita natin that he has 16 major promises na kung saan most of it were implemented. Makikita natin na talagang tinutupad niya yung kanya mga promises sa mga mamamayang Pilipino. Marami tayo na-expect sa kanyang pangalawang SONA and we're all very excited knowing na yung Pangulo natin, he is full of surprises, sabi nga nila.
Reeves encouraged the public to continue supporting President Duterte, especially when it comes to his campaign against illegal drugs.
Excited ako kung ano yung sasabihin niya at nag-expect din ako na gagawin talaga niya yun, 100%.
Meanwhile, Willie Talag and Garth Golayan from PDP Laban reiterated that their trust and confidence for the president will not waver. Moreover, they celebrate the success of President Duterte's leadership.
Masayang hapon sapagkat nakikita natin ang init ng pagsuporta sa ating mahal na Presidente Roa Rodrigo Duterte, lalo na sa kanyang mission and vision.
Pagtitipon ng mga taong mas malawak ang pananaw. Dahil nasabi ko ito, dahil nakikita namin ang tagumpay ng Pangulong Duterte sa unang taon ng kanyang paninilbihan.
The said event not only aims to express the group's support for President Duterte, but also to show the true will of the people. Trixie Jafar for The Nation.